Photoshop Express has come a very long way. In this video, we'll see how to use this app. So, let us begin. This is its main interface. These are all the photos on our device. Browse through the folders to find the photo you want. Then are the quick options to apply specific edits to the image. On the top, we also find the AI features to generate images and stuff. Tap this button to see all the photos. We'll pick this photo to open the editing interface. Photoshop has an auto adjust option to enhance the image. You can try it to see if it gives your photo that nice touch. Hold on to the photo to see the original, or this icon will also show you the original. When you apply an edit, the undo button will be visible. You can undo the last move with it. The first are looks. Looks are like filters to change the appearance of the photo. It has so many looks to try. Each has a slider to adjust the strength. I'll pick one of those to get started. You can create a new look with the applied settings for future projects. Adjustments is where we take full control. Here you can adjust the texture, clarity, exposure, contrast and more. Let's zoom in a bit. It's hard to cover every tool, so I'll use and explain some. Try this reduce luminance noise to smoothen the skin. The other one is to reduce the color noise. Exposure is brightness. I like to have a little bit of contrast to give the photo a dramatic look. You can see the photo is already looking great. Other options are highlights, shadows, whites and blacks. You can benefit from those to make your photo more natural. Split tone is to pick two colors and adjust. This is for selected photos, but you can give your photo the color it needs. The color mix lets us pick a color and then only adjust that color in the photo. Suppose you pick yellow and then adjust the options. You will see it only affects the yellow color in the photo. You can blur a part of the photo or the whole image. Adjust those outer and inner circles to blur the outside part. Then increase the strength to see it happening. You can tap here to blur the inside area. The other is full to blur the whole image. Vignette adds white corners to the image. Adjust the strength and the related options to get the perfect look. The last one is optics, mostly used for raw images taken with digital cameras. The heal tool is great as it removes blemishes, molds and other stuff. Adjust the brush size and tap the thing you want gone. It works wonders without much effort. Then are your ordinary crop and rotate tools. You can crop it or choose a set size for social media. Rotate can rotate the photo as well as flip it horizontally and vertically. Transform is to skew the image. It has both auto and manual options. The smooth tool is another way to smoothen the skin. Also, it gives you control because you must use the brush to draw and polish that part. The face tool has many options. We can adjust the face size and width or adjust each part. You can make her smiley or sad, change her nose symmetry, adjust her eyes and more. If you master it, you can completely change a person's look. Under makeup, we can apply lipstick. Photoshop is good at finding lips, so you just have to pick the one you need. I'll pick a random one. We can apply eyeliner as well. Like lipstick, it can find eyes easily and apply the effect. Looks good. If your photo is not complex, you can remove the background. Choose a color to apply as the background or go to actions and tap here to remove it. However, the app does not do a great job if the image is complex. Then there are overlays that add effects to the photo. Nothing major, but depending on your image, those can add a nice touch. Click text to add one. Then type your text and click done. We can adjust its size and position. Below are the colors, fonts, styles, strokes and more. Tap the T icon to add another text with it. Drawing is just drawing of the image. You can change the color and adjust the brush size, but that's about it. Stickers and borders are some of the other options. Add a sticker to convey the message and a border if you feel like it. There are plenty of borders such as the vignette, thin, bevel and circle. The last tool is the red eye remover. If you have any, just apply it and your eyes will be normal again. So this was the massive tool list. We have come a long way. Tap the top save icon to save it. Photoshop adds a watermark in the photo that can be removed by sharing the app or subscribing to the premium version. AI is now a part of Photoshop. On the top are those tools. However, to access any, you must sign in. You can create a free account if you don't have one. Let's try the text to image tool. Here we insert the text to imagine the photo. Let's say I want a baby reindeer. We have 4 variations of the result. You can personalize the photo from below. Choose the image size and then the image type. Image style, color and lighting are here as well. Hit refresh after applying those to see your image generating. You can save the created image with one click. Another AI tool is removing stuff from the photo. Let's say I pick this photo. We have a brush and with this brush we need to highlight the thing to remove. Then tap the remove button. Great, it's gone. Like text to image, we get 4 variations to choose from. Quick tools are not different. Those are just tools from the main editing interface. However, those open the specific tools for specific needs. Let's say I want to make someone smile. I'll pick the photo. As I have 2 faces, I must tap the one to edit. The face tool is already open, so we just need to adjust those to get the results we want. The last topic is about making collages. Tapping here will ask you to pick the images. Choose the layout and then the aspect ratio if you like. We can tap and move each image on the edit screen. You can edit this photo and when you return, the edited photo will be here. The borders can be adjusted as well. Once everything's good, save it to the gallery. Great, this is the end. We didn't cover the app settings but those are here. You can adjust the image quality and stuff. Adding a custom watermark image or text is also possible. Anyway, thanks for sticking to the end. Take care.